The interconnectedness of humanity with the living planetary system highlights its self-organizing and self-healing nature. Mushrooms play a crucial role in creating an organic network that facilitates communication, nutrient exchange, and defense among various organisms. This organic interdependence inspires humanity to adopt a holistic approach, viewing global crises as spiritual challenges.
We are currently living in a time of intense division and unrest, with nations around the world experiencing growing hostility and conflict. Even long-standing democracies are at risk of being threatened or dissolved. Various conflicts based on politics, race, ethnicity, religion, and sect are resurfacing or emerging, while organized crime continues to profit. Those who are displaced by war or climate change, as well as travelers of all kinds, face persecution and mistreatment. Poverty is increasing in many places, and indigenous peoples are facing suppression and disrespect. Tribal lands are being taken, ancient traditions are being desecrated, and the environment is suffering from uncontrolled fires and pollution. Both people and landscapes are deeply affected by trauma. However, despite these dire circumstances, we should not interpret them as a definite sign of an impending apocalypse. We are part of a living planetary system that has the ability to self-organize and heal. Humans are not separate from nature. We are an integral part of it. Regardless of our current state, we are interconnected and co-evolving with the rest of the world. Consider this. The watermeal, a tiny aquatic plant smaller than a grain of rice, can connect with its own kind and other species to form life-sustaining mats on the surface of a pond. Similarly, mushrooms send out delicate fibers that connect with the roots of nearby plants, trees, and other fungi, creating a network of communication, nutrient exchange, and defense against threats. This organic internet allows trees to communicate with each other, even across different species, and sustain the entire ecosystem. Furthermore, fungal mycelia have proven to be effective in remediating various types of toxins in soil and wastewater, such as heavy metals, fuels, pesticides, and plastics. They naturally break down these pollutants, creating a cleaner and healthier environment. If such small organisms can exhibit qualities like self-organization, connection, communication, assistance, protection, healing, and restoration, why can't humans? After all, we are also part of nature. Perhaps these qualities are inherent in us, characteristics of being alive on this planet. Intelligent interdependence may be our natural and sacred gift, one that we can embrace and strengthen for the benefit of our own species and all others. The refusal to acknowledge our interdependence and establish healthy relationships has caused immense suffering. If the root cause of climate change and other social problems can be traced back to human disconnection from nature, ourselves, and others, then it is not just an environmental, scientific, or technological issue, but also a spiritual one. To effectively address these challenges, we need to think holistically. It is time to combine the wisdom of ancient spiritual traditions with the insights of contemporary science. By integrating scientific knowledge with the awakening practices of consciousness found in mystical traditions, we can tap into our innate abilities to self-organize, connect, communicate, assist, protect, defend, heal, and restore. In doing so, we can awaken to our interconnectedness and further develop our biological gifts for the benefit of all.